Hey everyone, it's Chef Jason Morris, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. And as you can see, we are here today at Ooni HQ in Edinburgh, Scotland. We've been having a fantastic week of pizza making, well, and pizza eating too. But the best thing is, for today's edition of Ace This Recipe, I have a special guest. We're gonna be making pizzas with none other than Christian, who is the founder and CEO of Ooni Pizza Ovens. I'll tell you what, it's gonna be a beezer. Let's get in the kitchen and get cooking. All right, you guys, as I promised, we are here in the Ooni test kitchen with our special guest today, Christian, who's the founder and CEO of Ooni Pizza Ovens. Thank you so much for having us here in Edinburgh. We really appreciate it. So, give us a little history of Ooni.
All right, so Ooni was started as a project when I got really super into making pizzas, and I soon discovered that to get my game up, I needed a really hot oven. At the time, I was using a domestic electric oven, which just wasn't hitting the temperatures that you need for true Neapolitan style pizza. My wife and I were living in southeast London at the time, and it wasn't really an option to spend thousands of dollars on a large sort of restaurant style oven. So I decided to spend a lot more than that on creating the world's best portable sized ovens.
So the benefits of the Ooni Pizza Oven, how hot does it get?
So our ovens get up to 932 Fahrenheit, which is incredible.
That is so incredible.
And that kind of temperature is capable of cooking a pizza in just 60 seconds.
How many seconds?
Just 60 seconds,
literally
a minute.
Literally 60 seconds from start to finish, absolutely. We're going to have a pizza today.
Get a pizza in there at 932 Fahrenheit, it cooks in just 60 seconds.
I love it. Cool. And I'll tell you what, the best thing about the Ooni ovens, we've cooked on them a lot and we've been doing a lot this week. It's a pizza oven, but you can do so much more.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, we're going to do shrimp, we're going to do steaks, we're going to do breads, we're going to do asparagus. It's pretty versatile, portable. I can take it with me tailgating. Take it with me camping.
You can bring it over to your friend's place to show off your pizza skills or your steak skills or whatever.
I love it. All right, are you ready? Because we're going to time you.
All right.
You ready for this 1 minute performance of pizza?
1 minute.
All right, let's do it. So we start off with a really beautiful dough, right?
Yeah, you need a good dough. So some people are maybe a little bit intimidated with pizza when it comes to this part, but really it's so easy. You've got flour, water, bit of yeast and salt, and that's all you need for a pizza dough.
And we made this dough here yesterday as part of our week in Edinburgh. So we've been making a lot of dough, and look at it's just so beautiful.
Yeah, it's really nice elasticity to this dough.
So we do a little bit of hand stretching to get that nice and thin.
Yep. And this technique where we kind of pick up the dough a little bit, let it hang off your fingers, and it just naturally kind of pulls the dough out like that.
All right, walk us through this.
So we've got our base. I'm gonna go with just the sauce like that. What's really important when you're making these really fast 60-second pizzas is to not overload them with toppings.
So less is more, right?
Absolutely, less is more. So if you look at the kind of traditional Italian toppings they use on pizza, there's actually, you're only playing with couple of ingredients there. And I'm gonna go with some fresh mozzarella. It's like this. Now this part divides people a little bit. Some people go.
Got some beautiful fresh basil.
Some fresh basil. Some people like it on afterwards. I prefer my basil to cook in the oven on the top like that.
And that's it.
That's
quick
it.
And simple.
Ready to go.
All right, let's head over to the pizza oven. All right, there we go. So we're launching the pizza.
Yeah.
Look at that. We launched it on the wood peel, and we are right in the oven. So walk us through. What do? Do we rotate it at all?
So, just like with a traditional oven, we've got fire at the back here. What that fire does is it sends the heat flying across the pizza there. It embeds all of that energy into the stone baking board, which then cooks the base of your pizza. And because the fire is at the back, what we're going to do is actually rotate the pizza a couple of times while it's cooking. Look at that. That's literally seconds.
Guys,
in
that's
there.
30 seconds of pizza cooking right there. And those spots again are called what?
That's leopard spotting there.
Leopard spotting.
Yeah. If anything, we could have even gone a little bit earlier with the turn there. But this is what we hear from our customers so often. They buy the oven and they don't quite believe the fact that you can do a pizza in just 60 seconds. But you really can. It's
And we're pretty close to being done.
yeah.
You guys, that right there,
Look at that.
that's 60-second pizza. So let's get this over on the pizza peel.
Yeah.
Look at that finished product. That 932 degrees was absolutely amazing. It had such a great cooking temperature, and we have those beautiful leopard spots. 60 seconds.
Incredible, eh?
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Beautiful, right? And like you were saying, less is more. Don't overload it with ingredients or toppings.
Yeah.
And it smells incredible.
It's incredible, yeah. It's those fresh ingredients, and when there's not too many of them, they just each individual ingredient just comes to life on that pizza there.
Yep, and I agree with you. I love the basil in the oven. I think it opens up a little bit of the oil in the basil.
Yeah.
It's so good. So, hey, well, thank you so much for having us. It has been an absolutely fantastic week. I've enjoyed the people, and you guys have been such awesome hosts. Thank you for having us. We appreciate
Excellent.
it.
Hey, thanks very much
Thank
for
you.
coming over. It's been a pleasure spending time with you.
So I'm Chef Jason Morris, your Ace Hardware Grilling expert. Thank you for joining us for today's edition of Ace This Recipe. We are going to feature this recipe down below. You can head down to that description section, click that, expand it. You can click, print, and follow along. Make the best margarita on the best portable pizza oven out there. Thank you so much to Ooni for having us. We appreciate it. And as always, a little bit of homework for you. Head down into that comment section. Tell us, what would you like to learn? How can we be more helpful? And what can we be doing to help make you legends in the backyard cooking circuit? And then don't forget to subscribe. It is time to click those notifications so that you are notified every time our Ace This Recipe videos are live. And because we're cooking on the Ooni, if you're looking for more recipes, at the end of today's video, we've got a beautiful recipe where we're back cooking in Colorado on the Ooni 3, which is the oven that started it all for you.
Yeah,
right?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Well, thanks so much for joining us. You know what we always do at the end of our videos? We eat. And I'm pretty excited to grab a beautiful slice of this pizza here. That is fantastic. Cheers. Yeah, that is amazing, amazing pizza.